Right, this is my Marcher. Started the front, got Amity RD signature forks in chrome, got Vocal local XL bar, got FBM Crown Royal V2 stem, front wheel is Alienation Skylight Room in chrome to proper Microlite V2. Off.
Right, going into the frame.
Cranks. Got Profile Racing cranks.
Lawyer!
Fuck off, you can even look at the internet. Sprocket.
The blank crank.
Sprocket is Odyssey Burlington 28.
Oh, I could zoom in when I'm recording, I didn't know that, that's sick.
Oh, I'm gonna fart.
Frame is Weird People, Ashley Charles
Oh
signature.
my god.
Wait,
Crack in the A-frame.
I'm interested by this.
That wheel is oh fuck off, hello. That wheel is Amity Calamity hub. It's proper. No, just to fuck off. Alienation Skylight Room, it's got a nice. Yes, Ben! And
I think we've got a phone call.
seat. We've got
Who's that?
King with a
John Sexton signature seat!
34R clamp and post.
Everybody wants seat post car.
Super Alex.
That's my Marcher.
What?
It's not such a dick.